Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday, November 4th. Um, your announcement is going to be looking a little bit different today. That is because I have the same announcement for virtual and in person students because I am not there today. So, virtual students, you are watching the video. In person students, your sub will walk you through the assignments for the day, but you're totally welcome to watch this video if you want to. And you're also welcome to join our Zoom question and answer time if you have questions. So, for today, in person students, you are going to the library. Um, it will depend what hour you have class when you'll go. So, second hour students will go like after I can't remember what the times are, but I left them in the sub plans. So just follow the subs lead on that. Virtual students, I have a short video about accessing ebooks that you can watch, and it will be linked right here. So even though you can't physically go to the library, I will have that video linked so that you can check out the resources that we do have available. The first thing that we're going to do today in terms of classwork is word parts. So, this is a week where we are working on word parts. So, you need to pull up your word parts notes. And I know it's been a few weeks since we've worked with these. So, what you'll want to do is go to your Google Drive and either find your English 1 folder if you have made one, and look for word parts notes. Or if you want to, you can also just click up here, search in Drive, and search for word parts notes and hit enter, and that should pull it up for you. My computer's going a bit slow today. There we go. So it should look like this. It should be this table where you wrote down the word part and then the definition and then some sample words. Remember that you do not have to write down the definitions for the sample words unless you really want to, but you really want to make sure you get the word part and the definition and then at least one or two sample words. So I'm going to go through these quickly. You do also have a link to this presentation right here, and you're copying down information from slides 15 to 19. So you're welcome to just copy them down straight from the slideshow as well. That is not the right thing. Get this pulled up, and we are starting on slide 15. Okay, so our first one is a or an, which means not or without. Example words would be amoral, meaning without morals, anesthetic, meaning to remove feeling, apolitical, meaning not political, or asocial, meaning not social. If you need to pause the video to copy these down, feel free, and then you can resume when you're ready. Next, we have equi and equi. These mean equal, which you could probably guess just based on how they look. So we've got equalize, which means to make equal, equitable, which is an adjective that means fair and equal, and then equation, right? So an equation is a statement that two values are equal, right? You've got the equal sign in the middle, and it's a statement that what is on one side of the equal sign is equal to what is on the other side. Next, we have mono, which is another prefix. It means one, alone, or single. And some example words are monopoly, which is sole ownership or sole control. So, for example, in your history classes, you'll learn about the oil and steel monopolies during and after the Industrial Revolution. Monotone means one note. So, if someone speaks in a monotone voice, they just have one note or one tone to their voice. Monologue then is a speech by one person. Next, we have capped, capped, sip, sept, and sieve. So these are root words, so they can occur anywhere within the word, and it means to take, to hold, or to seize. So we've got captive, one who is held, and you can see that it's at the beginning here, capped. We've got receive, which means to take, right? If you're receiving something, you're taking it, and someone else is giving it. So here we've got sieve at the end. Capable, able to take hold of things, right? So if you're capable, it means that you're able to do something, or you're able to, hold a concept or an idea. So you've got cap here at the beginning. Sorry, that's my dog whining in the background. And then we have recipient, one who takes hold or receives. And you see we've got sip kind of in the middle here. I'm going to pause the video real quick and let my dog out. Okay, sorry about that. The last one is a suffix or a set of suffixes, ant, and or, which basically means one who does something. So an occupant, one who occupies; a respondent, one who responds or answers; a teacher, one who teaches. So make sure you have these all copied down for your bell. And then we will move on. You have a journal for today. So you're going to watch the video and then respond to the prompt. So today's video is the myth of Prometheus. And you will watch the video, and as you watch it, think about this prompt. Prometheus has been imagined as both a trailblazer for progress and as a dangerous figure who pushes the boundaries too far. What do you think? So you need to give your opinion and then back it up with some reasons, writing at least 3 complete sentences with proper capitalization and punctuation as always to receive credit. And then lastly, today we are going to work on article of the week. So I've been having a lot of issues, and I feel like I'm writing the same comments over and over and over again on your articles of the week, and they just aren't really getting better. So we're going to go back and kind of reteach the structure. So when you go to article of the week, you will see that it says watch the video directions at the bottom of the article. So you'll go through, you will annotate as you always do, or you always should. And then at the bottom, when you go to write your paragraph, there is a video where I go through step by step how to write the paragraph. You can copy my paragraph down, but I really want you to think about the structure of a Schaefer paragraph and really work with that. So I wish that we could do that more interactively, but it is what it is for right now, so we're just going to make the best of it. So I made a video kind of giving you suggestions and then also going through writing a sample paragraph. So please, 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 please watch that video and go through it so that you can improve your paragraph writing. If you have time and you want to work on missing assignments, that's great. If you feel like you want to get started on our next assignment, it is linked here. You by no means have to start working on it. I will go over it in detail during our next class. So don't feel like you have to start that. I'm just posting it there, mostly so that the in-person students, if they have extra time, aren't just sitting around doing nothing. I know that you virtual students have a ton of stuff to do and are juggling a lot. So don't feel like this is something that you have to get started on, but it is there if you want to look at it. Zoom question and answer times are right here. Feel free to call in. Even though I am not at school, I will still be available via Zoom or via email. So please let me know if you need any help. Have a wonderful day, everybody.